All right, guys, welcome back. No razors today. Today, we're going to give the Gladiator some attention, and we're going to talk about how we took the Gladiator from kind of a boring bone stock truck to a pretty cool off-road looking beast. So let's get at it. All right, where are the wheels? There are the wheels. What are we doing? We're doing a leveling kit. We're gonna upgrade the front coil springs to some Rubicon takeoffs, and we're gonna do Rubicon Fox front shocks. So we're gonna get rid of the heavy rake, and we're gonna accommodate 35s. So check it out. So there are a lot of good videos online. We're using the Rough Country 2.5-inch leveling kit. So it kind of walks you through this. I got a little time lapse going so you can see some of it. But we're just basically we're disconnecting a bunch of things so that way we can drop it all down and pull out the coil, the shock, and then add the spacer and the bump stop in there. So I'll put a link to the video we're watching to do this. It's Rough Country's video, so it makes it pretty simple. Just the extra step will be to just swap out the spring and also to swap out the shock. You're already right there anyway, so it's pretty easy to do at that point. All right, so we're just buttoning it up. We got the track bar and the sway bars back on. Track bar. 2.5-inch spacer. Got the bump stop, the extender for the shock. It's all looking really good. All right, so for the rear, we are just doing an Icon 1 3/8-inch spacer for the spring. And then we are replacing the shock with the Rubicon shock. We are going to leave the factory spring in from the Max tow package because it's a progressive rate spring and it's supposed to be better for towing. So we're going to leave that spring alone. So it'll be kind of a spring combination, but new shocks, well, new to me, and then our spacer to get us leveled out. All right, so we're just going to lower the axle here with the bottle jack between the bump stop and the axle. And that way we can get the spacer underneath the coil spring without having to take off the track bar. So you just got to remove the shock, and that's that. All right, guys, that's going to pretty much wrap it up. So Rough Country 2.5-inch leveling kit in the front, along with matching it up with a Rubicon front spring, gave us probably about 3 inches of lift in the front. And then we got about 1 3/4 inches in the back with that Icon spacer as well. So really gave the truck a nice level look. I'm really happy with it. We also added some of the little trim, little sidebars that you can get off of Rubicon to hide the pinch welds, which is something that you don't get on the Max tows and Sport, so we added that. We also have the winch installed as well in our front bumper from a while back, so that's all taken care of. Yeah, that's kind of it for the Gladiator for right now. Thank you everyone who has liked and subscribed the channel, and we'll get on to some more projects here real quick.